Hi, this is James again with JJ Media. Today I'm bringing you an affiliate offer. It's for diabetes. Some people already know that diabetes runs in my family, but I want to show you a product that possibly will help you out. Of course, my wife and I are eating a low carb and not totally keto, and I mentioned on one of my videos that we will be referring you to the channel. We are starting up low carb eating, but I'm wanting to show you this product, and there will be an affiliate link in the description. So I want you to first of all subscribe, share, and then connect with us on the social media channels. And also, if you are interested in learning more about diabetes and doing things to help your diabetes if you have it, and to lose weight or to maintain your weight, purchase the product. And I'm just going to do a quick overview of the product and show you a little bit of what they offer. So hope you enjoy. So we're going to be right back, and we'll go to the computer and we'll show you the offer. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. All right. In fact, let me go ahead and switch this totally off. Okay. Click the link. You'll see the link, and you can actually go ahead and purchase it. But it will give you. Let me go ahead and we'll keep watching you. This is the page that it is. This 60-second habit that reversed this gentleman's type 2 diabetes and melted 56 pounds of fat. Many of you know that with diabetes there are weight problems. You can either gain weight or can't lose weight, either or. I've known different ones to do it, to have issues. But you can actually go ahead and click the link and listen to it. And it is only $37. It's a instant, telling you how to do it. You can watch the video, but what I would suggest, and I'm going to have all of these links in the description, but you can read the text version. And the text version is about how terrified they are, thinking that she was going to die. And normal blood sugar was reading. Sugar reading was 120. Hers was 488. And a lot of you maybe know my mother, or know of my mother. That is that she's a brittle diabetic. So I've been around diabetes, and most of the time it gets up near 500. It's a coma. But it talks about how they were totally scared, and actually the normal blood sugar reading. My wife is actually going through dealing with blood sugar, and they even want it below that now, which I think the medical industry is kind of keeps dropping the numbers to try to get you to pay more for medicine. But okay, since 5 years since her diabetic symptoms began, the cold hard truth was staring them in the face. And it's talk about lowering blood sugar, but they were saying it's too late. So this guy's wife was very scared and ashamed. You can read all this, but what I'm wanting to talk to you about is they would uncover the real cause of type 2 diabetes, a truth that's unknown. And think about this. Number one, in fact, my wife and I are going through this now. With my wife has been successful in bringing her glucose down, and there again, we're going to be starting a channel, low carb eating, but the sugar needs to be plant based. So they talk about how many sugars or carbohydrates you can eat, exercise, what medications to take, and they have discovered, and right there, ketosis, you can actually get your body in a the keto diet, which it works. Okay, they talk about her diabetes, the meds, the test strips, glucose readers, tossed in the trash because she suddenly started losing. She lost 56 pounds of deadly belly fat, going to a slim 160 pounds. So, she was this person was a little bit bigger. So I just trying to slide down real quick, give you an overview that keto diet does work, or low carb does work. My wife is actually having success right now. And I say that with my wife is actually, she had several years ago had breast cancer, so she's on tamoxifen, and they typically talk that tamoxifen, it's hard to lose weight. So this interests me greatly because we have been through this, and there again, I've been around diabetes quite a bit. So insulin resistant. You feel tired and hungry, eat bad carbs, make insulin, cells resist insulin, sugar stores as fat. It's a cycle that you actually go through. And I'm going to leave this so you can read it, but click on the link below, and that way you can really see what all is happening. Let me go on down though. I just trying to give you an overview of there are benefits to eating low carb and the keto diet. There's 8 essential antioxidants clinically proven to rapidly improve insulin resistance and turning type 2 diabetes and protect against devastating conditions such as heart disease, stroke, nerve pain, and more. And there again, they go through, this is this person's personal process, and that they went through, and they succeeded. So you can get the book. They tell about it. It's $37. What's $37 if it's going to save your life? They do have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So I am going to ask you, click the link below, purchase this. If you have diabetes or your friend has diabetes, let me click it again. It's the Halky Diabetes Remedy. So I just want to recommend this to you. Click the link. It's an instant digital download, but it goes through everything and showing you how to eat, what to eat, what to do. Low carb and actually keto diet does work. So I'm asking you, click the link below. Purchase it if you have diabetes or pre-diabetic. Again, my wife and I are just going through this. My wife was diagnosed with pre-diabetic. We switched to a low carb diet. Her glucose this last time was low enough that the doctor said, this was just within the last couple months from the time of this recording, that the doctor said she is really doing good, and the numbers are coming down. And it's with the low carb eating. And you want to watch make sure it's not too much excess. Even though you're eating healthy, you can't still just eat and eat and eat. You still can gain weight if you don't watch it. So hope you enjoyed this quick overview, And we will, again, be referring you to our low-carb channel, but keto diet and low-carb eating does work. This person had really good success with this. So purchase it and start your healthy way of living. So we will see you in the next video. Make sure you share and subscribe and connect with us below on our social media channels. Have a great day.